Sir, shall we start, sir? Sendil Kumar, sir.
Yes, sir, we can start, sir.
Yeah, Madhumita.
Yes, yes. Good morning to one and all present here. We are now going to start this session. We heartily welcome our highly respected chief guest, Mr. Sendil Kumar sir, for this session. The topic of today's session is Python for data science.
Sri Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya College of Arts and Science Autonomous Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. He has obtained his UG, PG and MPhil program from Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. He has more than 10 years of academic research and industry experience in various prestigious organizations. This area of research includes neural networks, artificial immune system, machine learning, and Python program. He has published more than 40 research articles in reputed international journals like SCI, Web of Science, Scopus, and UGC Care journals. Also, he has published 3 books and 4 patents. He has participated and presented research articles in various national and international conferences. He is acting as a technical committee member and sessions chair of the various seminar, national and international conferences. He is a member of various professional bodies also. So he is acting as a resource person in various workshop FDP webinar. He was honored by the institution for his excellency and contribution use of Education Technology Award, Kalvi Ratna Gurudu Award, Best Teacher Award in 3 times, Best Researcher Award, Kalam Arivu Mamani Award.
Thank you, sir.
We hand over the section to the Mr. Sendil Kumar, sir. Sir, please proceed, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, a warm good morning to all. Whether it is audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Okay, a warm good morning to all. I congratulate for grand success of previous FTP sessions and best wishes for future FTP sessions. I thank the management team and faculty organizers, student organizers, and research scholars for organizing the FTP. I convey my best wishes for the organizers. That is Dean Sir, Mr. Professor M. Sukumar sir, and Professor M.L. Suresh sir, HOD Mathematics, and convener Dr. T. Gunasela sir, Associate Professor of Mathematics, and organizing secretaries Dr. Naresh Kumar sir, Dr. Sanmu Preman, Dr. Venkata Kumar sir, Karthik sir, Selvaraj. Actually, we live in a world. You all know that is we live in a world that is full of data. Data is generated from various sources. You all know that is from the sensor, that is smartphone, and sensor from electronic devices and real-time information. And e-commerce websites also have some useful information or data. And the data science is an interdisciplinary field that brings together computer science and statistics and mathematics to extract useful and analyzing the interpreting the raw data. Actually, these are the introduction about the data science. And popular tools we use in data sciences for data pre-processing and analyzing. For analyzing, we use Python, R programming, Microsoft Excel, SPSS. And for data exploration and visualization, we use Tableau, Microsoft Excel. You all know that these are the popular tools used in the data science. Okay, next, we will go to the PPT slides. Okay, what is data? Data is a collection of information. That is one purpose of data science is to structure the data and making it interpretable and easy to work with. Data can be categorized into two groups, that is structured data and unstructured data. Okay, this is the example of structured data. The structured data is organized. Going to see about the unstructured data. Unstructured data, that is, it is not an organized manner. We must organize the data for analysis purpose. Okay. This is unstructured data. How to structure the data? We can use the array concept. In computer science, there is a concept called array. Array is a contiguous allocation of the data, and it is represented in the form of array concepts and or in the table, database table structure to present the data. Okay, this is an example of array. That is, we are representing the array concept. In Python, we are using the list tuple dictionary concept in the form of array. Okay. We will see in the demo session the how to structure the data and how to represent the array concepts. We will see in the demo session. Next, that is a Python introduction. Actually, data science using Python. There are various Python libraries available. That is, Python Pandas library offers a variety of actually inbuilt functions and mathematical library functions. Python makes it easier to calculate mathematical problems and Python libraries and with large collections of mathematical functions. Okay. And next, we will see in the demo session how to create a data frame with Pandas, and this will be explained in the demo session. I will share the PPT after the session in the group WhatsApp group. Okay, let's enter into the demo session. I will share the we have to install, or we can use the online compiler for Python. You can side by side practice the session, or you can take the screenshot of the session and you can use it, or I will share the PPT also. I will share the screen this way. This is the screen is shared.
No, sir.
Can anyone? No, sir.
Screen is not shared. No, sir.
1 second. Can you see the spider editor? Whether the screen is shared?
No, sir.
1 second, sir. It will be sharing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, let us go to the practical session. That is array concept. We are using the, let us first enter into the how to structure the data. We use the array concept or a database table to structure or present the data. If you use, you can see we can type the array, and the variable name is, we can use, okay, you can use the variable name array itself. Array equal to, use the square bracket, and if you use then the elements 80, you can give some values 80, 90, then if you use, this is array concept. Okay. This is running. Okay, you can see the output, that is 80, 90, 50. It is the display. This is the concept of array. If you want to, next concept is data frame. How to create a data frame with Pandas. We are creating a 3-column and 5 rows data. That is, we have to use this is a, you can install the Spider, that is an Anaconda navigator using the Google. It is an open source tool. Python is an open source tool. You can download from the Google, and you can use it for data analysis. Python for data analysis. Okay, next concept is we are importing. I will zoom the screen. Okay, you can use the import pandas, that is pandas as PD, and we are using the variable d, the concept, using the curly braces, and column one is we are creating some elements 1 2 3 4 not 7. And next we are using column 2 with we have to use a single apostrophe. Yes. And next we have to give the colon, and we are giving the elements 4 5 6 9. And if you then we are using the data frame, that is df equal to td dot data frame. The data frame, and we are using the data equal to d. And if we use the print command, print df, this is the example program. That is a data frame with 3 columns and 5 rows. Sorry, 2 columns and 5 rows. Okay. And if run the program, okay, some errors. Actually, my model has no good name. Okay, sorry. We have to give the parentheses. You can clear the screen. CLS is a command to clear the screen. Okay, it is clear. Now you can give the run command. Okay, data frame we have to give in caps. Okay. Again, we can run. Import Pandas as PD, we can go. DF. Okay, well, we will modify some this PDF. If we again run the program, import Pandas as well. Okay, you can do the PDF data. PDF is not defined. 1 second. This way the screen is adding. This way. This way. Okay, next we are going to see about the import, how to extract and read the data with pandas. This import pandas. We are importing the pandas, and then next we are giving a df equal to. We are creating a CSV file. Okay, it is a Excel file. We are creating with extension .csv file. Okay, that is pandas.read. We are creating a CSV file. It's created, which is created already. We are using the path of the file d colon srmvcast. Sorry, srmvcast, and we are giving the backslash ssk, and this is the path of the file, and student data is stored in the CSV file with a comma separator, and that is a extension of CSV. We are using the print of df data frame. Then we give the command print df. It will show the content of the CSV file. Is it? We have given the command cls. Okay, the screen is clear, and if you run the program, you can see the content of the CSV file. And the open. It is df equal to pandas. This way I will copy the path of the file. srmvcast d colon ss data. No test file directory. In second, I will copy the path of the file. This is okay. Next is CSV, and copying the data. Okay, we have to give the path. As we have to do. And if you do that, we run the program. Okay, you can see the output. That is a we have stored the register number, name, and mark of the students. That is Senthil, Jamuna, and this is the output of the program. And if you give the location, okay, if you want to access some particular record, you can use that print command. That is print df. That is a data frame. That location, for location we have to use the short form LOC. You can see the you can see the register number. That is 3. Register number 3. Name is displayed Rocky and mark is of 88, and the name it is of data type object. Okay, can see this is the how to extract and retrieve the data with Pandas. And next we are going to see we have to import some data set, that is input data, and how to remove the blank rows in the data set. Okay, if you consider a cancer data set or some data set for analysis, how to remove the data set or how to remove the blank rows we are going to see. Okay, and we can delete the program. That is import. That is the same statement, import and as a 3D. And next we are using the numpy numerical Python, import numpy as np. And next we are using the dictionary concept. Okay, that is concept. It is one of the form of array representation only. That is we are giving the braces, and we are giving this 3 dictionary values. First the score, we are giving the colon, and we are giving some values 100, 90, np dot nan. Nan is this is an empty field we are creating, and we are giving some 95 value, and we can give the same. Okay, you can copy the first. You can modify. Okay, and we can give the comma. Okay, you can give comma. We are giving the value that is key. The second score we are giving some values 20, 70, and np dot nan. Here the last value is blank. Okay. The next you can give the third score. You can copy. Already we have copied. You can give the third score. You can give some value. Here the first value is 20. You can copy this np.nan and you can paste it here. And you can give some value. Any other value 60. Okay, 65 something. And next closed, whether we have closed or the curly braces is closed, and next we are giving the df, that is the data frame equal to ed dot data frame. I'll share the PPT. You can use it for the practice session purpose after the session. Data frame. You can give the and you can give the print command, print of df. Okay. Okay. If you run the program, you run this clear screen command. Okay, the screen is cleared, and if you run the program, something is import module. What is error? Some error. We are giving the import statements, so it is PD, importing Pandas as PD. Dictionary of lists we have given. Next wait. Some indentation error is coming. Okay, you can see that the data is displayed. That some indentation error is have occurred, so I have modified the program. Okay, you can see the value, that is first score, that is 100, 90, first score is 100, 90, that is NAN, the blank row, and 95. And the next we are having second score 30, 45, and 56. And the third score we are having the blank value first, and 40 and 18, 98. And next we are giving the how to remove the blank rows. We are going to see about how to remove the blank rows in a input data set. Okay, that is we are using the data frame drop command, drop NA, and we are giving the access equal to 0. Access equal to 0, and in place we are fixing the blank rows with zeros. Okay. And if you use the same command, print df, the NAN is replaced with 0. Okay, this is said to be the normalization concept. Okay, that is we are neglecting the, that is NAN, that is the blank rows are neglected. Okay, the 90, that is the first score is 90, and second score is 45, and third score is 40. Okay, this is the output of the program. And next we are normalization. Okay, the same dictionary we are using the command, that is instead of this statement, this line of program, we are using print statement, print of df dot fill NA of 0. Okay, and fill the values with 0. There's a blank space for removed and filled with 0. Okay. Give the CLS command, clear command. And if you run the program, you can see, okay, this is the output of the program. Here you can see that is 130. This is a NAN, third score. The first column is replaced with NAN. It's replaced with 0.0, and the second. Okay, this is the output of the program. Filling missing value with 0. This is said to be normalization. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to see about the listing, how to list the data type. Okay. Instead of fill NA, we are using info method. We give df.info. You can see the so you can see data. The data type is a display. That is a first score is a float of 64, and the second score the data type is a float, and third score data type is of a float. Okay, you can see the output of the program. And memory usage is also displayed. Okay, data types float of 64, and 3 float data types we are using. And how next concept is how to convert the data type, that is float, into integer. Okay, we are going to see. Okay, the first score. If we can change the data type. Okay. Now that is df equal to df and we are giving the as type of int. We are converting the float into integer value. Okay, we are again copying the print of df and print of df dot info. You can see that here you can see the first score is float of 64. Now we are converting the float into integer data type, you can see the concept of converting first score. Okay, we have to give space, and we have to give capital letters. You can create the screen and the program. You can some error is there. No. This one straight. Cannot convert non-inflated values. Okay, here we have to give the score. We have to give some value. So we have to give the blank value, and instead we have to give 80. And if you run the program, it will run. Series object attribute. Second. Okay, you can see the output. That is first score. Here you can see first score equal first score comma data type of int 32. Okay, it is converted. You can here also see int 64. Okay, this is the output of the program. That is, we are converting the float data type into integer. And next we are going to see about the summarizing data and analyze the data. Okay, the same program we can use. Okay, instead of that is these statements, we can create the statements, and we give print of, that is a describe command, df.describe. You can give the cls command. Okay, that is describe is used for summarize the data. Okay, if you run the program, you can see the summarization of data. Okay, you can see the summarization of data. Okay, next we are using the statistics concept in Python. We can use the import statement alone. We can delete the other lines. Okay, that is we are using the same command. Okay, df equal to pandas. That is we have already used the command, that is CSV. We have read the CSV file. Okay, the same CSV file. One second, I will copy that statement. And see, that is we have already stored the student data file in the This is the path of the file. That is D colon. We are this folder of SRMIC as SSK and CSV file. Here the student data is stored. And if we have already seen the print command. There is print of DF. DF if you give, you can see the output. Okay, sorry. We can delete the as PD and something. Okay. We run the program. You can see the output of that is content of the file is CSV file is displaying. And next, we have already that is a raw key. That is a third register number is displayed. We have already seen that program. That is print df. That is data frame. Start location. Comma colon. Okay. And next, we are using the mark equal to df of mark. This mark we are using, we have given the small n lowercase m. And next we are using the percentile 10 equal to numpy. That is a numerical Python. We are using the library function and percentile function. That is mark comma 10. 10. And now we are using the print command for displaying the percentile. Percentile is you can give the colon comma and you can copy the percentile 10. Okay. If we run the program and see the percentile. Okay, percentile is 61.2. This comes under the statistics percentile. In net exam also we are calculating some percentiles for commerce staff and all. Okay, you have noticed that. Next concept is how to create a simple plot. Okay, simple plot that is set up with a graph concept. Okay, that is we are using the matplotlib. Plotlibe. Plot py plot. Sorry, 1 second. Yes, wait. Okay. Matplotlib. Matplotlib. Plot. The Python plot. Okay. Python plot has PLD. And next we are initializing the data. That is we are using the variable x equal to some values we are giving. The concept 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay. And next we are giving the y plot. This y axis. This values 20 comma 55. 35 something, some values 55. Next we are plotting the data. That is PLT plot x comma y. Here we have used the x variable and y variable for the x axis and y axis, and we are giving plot dot show. If you run the program, it will show the output here. In a second, I will maximize the screen. Okay. you want to see the graph, you have to go to the view pane and you have to go to the plots. Okay. Dot title, and they're giving the linear graph. Some title you are giving linear graph. Linear graph. Okay, and again this command is given below. Okay. And if you run the program, you can see the title, the graph, linear graph. Okay, this is how we can give the title to the graph. And next we are labeling the y-axis and x-axis. Okay, that is we are giving the command pld dot label the y label, x label as x-axis. Sorry. Label as x-axis. And we can copy the same in the program. And that is we are using the package, style package. Okay, that is from import style, and we can change the data. Okay, that is we are giving the pld style concept, pld dot style dot use. We are giving the style as solarize light. Okay, solarize light, solarize underscore light. Okay. Here on the program, you can see the change in graph. Sorry, 1 second. We can say we have to change the data x-axis and y-axis. So not x, y. We have to remove these lines. Okay, we have to give the data equal to np dot random dot when we are in the random as we are giving the value 50. Okay, and we have to remove the lines of coding and plot plt dot plot data, and we again we are giving the command plt dot show. And now it will be running. NP is not defined. Import. Okay, we have to give the import statement. Import NP. NP as NP in the program. Okay, you can see the graph because randomly we are plotting the graph, that is 0 to 50. Okay. And the style is we have used this solarized light. Okay, this is the output. And next concept is dark background style. Okay, that is we are using, instead of solarized light 2, we are using dark background, dark underscore background. Okay, if you run the program, you can see the dark background. Okay, that is a black color screen. It is displaying. Okay, and next concept is importing, creating a plot with dotted line. Okay, that is, we are using, we can remove the dark background, and we are giving the that is a width of the line and style. Okay, that is a PLT plot. This is the plotting graph comes under the visualization of data, plot dot data, comma, line style equal to, we are giving the colon, that is starter line, comma, line width is something we are giving, line width equal to 4. And we have to give the plot style also, PLT dot style dot use. We're using the G plot. Run the program. You can see the output. Okay, the dotted line. Okay, the graph is shown as a dotted line. If you give the line, width of the line is 2, it will show the thickness. Okay, sorry, line width is 2. If you give the 4, 6 or something, okay, you can see the dotted lines. Okay, the next concept. Can you follow? Any doubts after this? Participants?
No, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, next we are giving the, that is a line chart. How to plot the line chart? Okay, that's concept. That is x equal to, okay, we are defining the variable x variable and y variable. That is x equal to np dot array. And we are plotting the value 1, 2, 3, 4. Some values we are giving, and this is for square. Okay, that is y equal to, we are giving, that is 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. That is we are plotting the graph for square. Okay, this is x star, giving the asterisk. Okay, 2. Okay, and then next we are plotting the graph plt dot plot x comma y. Okay, and we are giving the x label and y label, that is labeling plt dot x label. We are giving the x-axis, x-axis, and next we can copy the same statement and we can modify it. X label instead of x label, we are giving y label, and here x-axis we are giving y-axis, and next we are giving plt dot title. You can give any suitable title. You can give plotting the graph. We are giving the command plt dot show. If you run the program, you can see the graph. Okay, that is you can see the plotting of graph for, that is 1 square is 1 and 2 square is the line graph. Okay, 2 square is, and this is up to 16. Okay, 8 square. Sorry, 4 square. That is okay. Extra, sorry, extra 1 into 2, 2, and 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6, and so 4 into 2, 8. Okay, this is the value. You can see. Okay, 1 and 4, 3 into 2 is 6, and here you can see the 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, this is the plotting of graph. And next, one second. Next is bar chart. Okay. We are giving we are using the same import package, that is numpy, snp, and matplotlib, and some style. We are using the same. Okay. We can remove the style also, where we are not using this package, the libraries. Okay. And we can remove these lines also. We can give the data. Okay, we are giving some subjects, that is a C programming and C++, Java, and Python, something we are giving. This we have to give the C. C. Okay, and we are giving the value as 20. Okay, and C++, we have to give C++, colon, we have to give the value 15. And next we are giving Java. For the time is Java, we are giving the 30 as value. And Python, the number of participants. Okay, the courses. Python we are giving and courses we are giving the courses equal to list dot stuff data dot keys. And next we are giving the values equal to, that is values equal to list of data dot values. And we have to plot the graph, because we are giving some plotting statements. plt dot that is figure size we are giving. Figure size equal to, we are giving the figure size, that is 10,5. Okay. And now we are giving the plotting, that is a bar chart. We are going to plot, that is plt dot bar. Okay. We are giving the courses, comma, we are giving the values, that is we are storing we have stored the values we have given on the values, comma, color equal to something we can give red or pink, the bar chart color, comma, which we can give the width of the 0.4. And now we are giving the label, it is plot dot x label. We are giving the title x label. We are giving courses offered. Courses offered. And the next we are giving plot dot y label. Students. Students enrolled. We are giving different courses. We have given. Next, we can remove this also. Plotting the graph we can remove. The plt.show we can use it. Okay. Run the program. Okay, you can see the any error, the invalid syntax. Okay, we have to give colon. Courses is not defined. Okay, courses we have to give the lowercase c. Okay, you can see the graph, that is There's a C++ is 20 enrolled, and C program is 20, and C++ is 15, and Java is 30, and Python is 32. You can see the graph. Okay, you can zoom it and see. Okay, next, if you change the color also, you can see red. Okay, you can see the graph color as well. This is implementation of data analysis. Okay, you can plot plot. We are using the same import NumPy NP and import matplotlib. We can delete these data, the lines of code, and we can this np dot box plot. Okay, this random np dot random dot seed of 10, and if you use data, that is data 1, that is a variable name data 1, that is np dot random built-in functions dot normal. Okay, normal, we are giving some value 100 comma 10 comma 200, and we can copy and we can paste it, and we can alter the lines of code. This data 2, data 3, data 4, and you can change the value, something 90, value 20, 200 is that is coordination values, and again instead of 100 you can change the value as 80, 10, 20, 30, and here you can give the 40. Okay, 70 instead of 80 you can give that 70. And we can do the data equal to data underscore 1 comma data underscore 2 comma data underscore 3 comma data underscore 4. That is a variable we are using. And if you have to give that is a figure size, that is a graph size, that is figure equal to plot. Graph size equal to 10 comma 7. Okay. And if you want to give that as a plot dot style, use dark background. Already you have seen the gray color background in the previous session, the previous program. Dark. You give the dark background, it will show in the blacklistering of the background. Okay. And again, we are using the access also. We are giving that is dp equal to access dot box plot of data. Okay. This is the box plot command we are giving, and next is we are showing the plot. Okay, you will run the program. Any other errors you will see. Figure size 720. That is 720 access. Figure size is 720 class. That is pixel value is something it is denoting. the previous program we have given 10, 5. Ax is not defined. Okay, we have to give the access. Sorry. We have to give the access, that is ax equal to dot add access, add underscore access. It is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, you can see the graph. We have given the access, and it is 100, 10, 200 is plotted, and random. Okay, you can see the graph. It is box plot. Okay, this is the output of the program. And next, we are going to see about the scatter plotting. Okay, that is instead of using these statements in this program, you can give this way. We can create the box plot also. Okay, and x1 equal to giving the value, some value 89, 56, 43. Okay. And y1 equal to some value. Okay, 1, 46, 3, 3. That's enough. And this is the data set 1. Okay, and the data set 2, which are giving x2 equal to, we are giving some 3 value. 35, 67, 80. And the y2 is some value 42, 90, 47. Okay, you can give the plot dot scatter x1, y1, c equal to pink. Okay, we are giving the color of the plot. Then we are giving line width equal to 2, and you can give the marker equal to s, and you can give the edge color. Give the edge color equal to green. Edge color equal to green, and you can give the conditional s equal to 50. Size equal to 50. And again, you can copy the same. This is for x and y, x1 and y1 coordination. It is x1 axis and y1 axis. Again, we are giving for the x2 and y2. You can copy the statement and we can modify. You can give yellow something and color. Line width is 2. Marker is we can give this a caret symbol, and the edge color equal to, after green we can give red, and s equal to 200, size equal to 200. And now you can give the plot. Is labeling the x label and y label. Okay, x label axis, and plot y label to y-axis. And a plot show. We are using the same command. Just put in the program. Okay, you can see the graph that is of pink and yellow. Okay, this is scatter graph. Okay, okay. Next, next we are going to see how to calculate the mean, harmonic mean. Calculating the harmonic mean and how to extract the data from the mean of all columns, median function, how to use the median built-in function, and how to calculate the mode. These are all the next question we are going to see. Okay. Next we are going to see how to calculate the mean. Okay. We are using the import statement. Import numpy as np. Okay. And you are giving the variable name mylist. Okay. Mylist equal to, you are giving some values. Does the mean, median, mode are statistical functions. You all know. Actually, you all know. 3, 1, 4, 5. Okay. This is an example my list. Okay. Sample. And if you can give the print statement, print command. You can copy the my list variable and you can paste it there. And you can use the print, that is import np as np. There you can give np dot mean built-in function. Okay. And you can give my list, my underscore list. Already copied. Okay, you can give the clears command. Okay, if you run the program, you will see the mean value, that is 3.125. Okay, this is a sample program for creating, how to calculate the mean. Okay, and the next we are how to calculate the harmonic mean. Okay, the same, instead of np.mean, here we have to import, instead of numpy, we are using statistics, import statistics. And you can change the value, or you can keep the same values. Here you can do statistics dot harmonic underscore mean. This is a built-in function for calculating the harmonic mean. Okay, you can give the clear command. If you run the program, you can see the harmonic mean calculated 1.904 something from the values entered. Okay, and next, yes, SEPY library. We are using how to calculate the particular column value. Okay, the mean value of particular column. Here we are using the import pandas, that is import pandas as PD, and we can erase these statements. Error. Give the x1 equal x1 colon 6 comma some values, 6 comma 2 comma 7 comma 5. Okay. And you have to give a comma, and you can give the x2 here in the column range. ranges we are giving that is 0 to 9. Okay. Zero, 9. And if you can give the print statement, print of data, you can display the data in the data frame. And if you want to calculate the x1 column, the mean value, you have to give the state length of coding as print of data. You have to get the square bracket and x1. And you have to give the dot mean function. Okay, if you run the program, you have to give, I think you have to give some 9 values, 6, 2, 7, 5, 7. One. Okay, I have done the 9 values. If you run the program, you can see the x1. This x1 is you have to calculate the value for x1 mean value. Okay, the column x1. Instead of x1, if you give x2, also you can see the value. Okay. And next, okay, next we are going to see the median, how to calculate the median. Import statistics, my list equal to, you are giving some value, 3, 8, 7, 8, 4, 4, 1. Okay. How to calculate the median, you all know, that is we are giving the statement. Instead of 4, if you give 1, here also 1. If you give, it will give us 3.5. This is the target of the. Okay. And next, how to calculate the low median. Okay. Next, we are going to see about the how to calculate the low median. We are importing the statement, import statistics. And here you are giving the print statement, that is statistics median. We are giving the built-in function median underscore low. And giving the square bracket value 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Okay. And the status. And again, you can copy the same statement up to this, and you can paste it here. And give 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. And again, you can give the print statement, or it is enough. Okay. If you give, okay, if you run the program, exporting the file. Sorry, we have to close the square bracket and
Sir, you are muted. Your voice is not audible, sir.
hello, can you hear, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, ma'am. Okay. This is the last program. Okay, you can see the comment. This is the sample program for median group. Okay, here you can see that is a 2.5. Okay, that is we are taking the 1 and 4. This 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. And here also you can see that is 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5 we are taking is left and right, and the center value is 3. Okay, 3.0 is printed. Okay, this is said to be the median group. Okay, yeah, the session is over. Any doubts you can ask me. Whether it is useful. Okay, I will share the PPT with you all. And try the workshop that is using the program IS online compiler Python program. Okay, I will share the screen. Please wait.
Participants, any doubt?
Sir, there is some doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how can we know what are the built-in functions in the particular level? For example, Pandas, Matplotlib. How to check that, sir?
Sir, you can download the book Python for Data Science, sir. It is
Okay, sir.
that is a O'Reilly publication, sir.
Okay, sir.
It's a user-friendly book, sir. You can download and you can use it, sir.
Okay, sir.
And you have many online resources also, sir. You can
Okay,
learn through the GitHub, and we can learn through the GitHub also, sir. The many
Okay, sir.
data science programs are available, sir. Data science
Okay.
and machine learning programs are available, sir. You can learn through YouTube also, sir.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Nice presentation, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, nice presentation. I would like to know about the fixed size. Actually, I have used Sage Math in which default size is 6. But here we are taking fixed size in ordered pair.
Ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am. Fixed size. Please repeat
Fixed
the.
size which you have taken in ordered pair. But in R. Oh, thank you.
You
Sir.
can give the
Thank you.
RGB colors also, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you for the
Okay.
nice section.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I will share the PPT also. Some of them are asking. I will share the PPT in WhatsApp group. You can use it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other doubt, participants? Any others? Sir, Sindil sir, can we conclude the session?
Yes, sir. We can conclude, sir.
Yes, Madhumita?
Yes, sir. Now we conclude the session with the vote of thanks. Thank you, sir, for your awesome presentation. You provided basic and effective Python information that will assist in gaining knowledge more about Python. Once again, thank you, sir. And I extend my thanks to all the participants for your participation. Now this session is over and next session will start at 2:45 p.m. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
sir, for your awesome presentation. You provided basic and effective Python information.
Thank you too. Yeah.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful presentation.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, please keep in touch, sir.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, sir. I thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to handle the FTP session. Thank you, Gunasekar, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Can we wind up, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir. We can
Yes,
wind up,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all participants.
Thank you.
For that.
Thank you all. Bye.